Imagine a vehicle where power meets absolute elegance, where every line speaks luxury and every detail is perfect. Today on Axion Auto, we're looking at the future of ultra-luxury SUVs with the upcoming 2027 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 800. This isn't just an SUV, it's a rolling statement of prestige. As we approach the front, the iconic Maybach grille immediately grabs attention. Larger, more commanding, finished in stunning chrome with vertical slats that catch light beautifully. The three-pointed star sits proudly on the hood, representing over 100 years of excellence. The redesigned LED digital headlights are sharper and smarter, delivering adaptive beams with pinpoint accuracy. The front bumper blends elegant chrome accents with subtle air intakes that add a touch of sporty character. Everything about the face says authority and class. Moving to the side, the 2027 GLS 800 shows its true presence. Massive multi-spoke forged wheels, likely up to 23 inches, fill the arches perfectly. The classic Maybach two-tone paint option is expected to return, creating a stunning contrast between deep metallic shades. Chrome trim flows along the window lines and side skirts, giving it a regal look. The extended wheelbase delivers a long, commanding profile, ensuring rear passengers get exceptional space. Even the power-deploying side steps extend smoothly, welcoming you like a private jet entrance. At the rear, sophistication continues. Slim full-width LED taillights stretch across the tailgate, glowing like a refined signature. The Maybach badge sits proudly, with subtle chrome touches adding polish without excess. Dual exhaust outlets are cleanly integrated, hinting at serious performance beneath the calm exterior. The powered tailgate opens smoothly, revealing a generous cargo area built for both luxury trips and daily use. Step inside, and the cabin feels like a first-class suite. Premium Napa leather covers almost every surface, stitched with flawless precision. Real wood trim, polished aluminum accents, and 64-color ambient lighting let you customize the mood. The seats are executive level, heated, ventilated, massaging, and fully reclining in the rear. The optional two-seat executive layout turns the back into a private lounge with folding tables, refrigerated compartment, and champagne holders that up front, dual 12.3-inch or possibly larger. Curved OLED displays dominate the dash. The latest MBUX system is faster, more intuitive, with natural voice control and augmented reality navigation that overlays directions on the screen. A Burmester 4D surround sound system fills the cabin with crystal clear audio. Soft closed doors, panoramic sunroof, and advanced air purification make every detail feel special. Power comes from a refined 4.0L twin-turbo V8, likely with EQ Boost mild hybrid tech, pushing close to or beyond 600 horsepower. Paired with a smooth multi-speed automatic and 4MATIC all-wheel drive, it delivers effortless acceleration, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in around 4.5 seconds, while keeping the cabin whisper quiet. Adaptive air suspension with e-active body control scans the road ahead and adjusts in milliseconds, making bumps disappear. Multiple drive modes let you switch from ultra comfort to dynamic performance. Safety is top level with the latest driver assistance suite. Adaptive cruise, lane keeping, blind spot monitoring, 360 degrees cameras, emergency braking, and possibly enhanced semi-autonomous features. Price: expect the 2027 Maybach GLS 800 to start between $180,000 to $200,000 globally, with final numbers depending on options and market. In places like the Middle East or South Asia, import duties may push it higher. But for those who want the absolute best in luxury, comfort, and prestige, this SUV delivers like no other. The 2027 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 800 is more than a vehicle. It's a rolling palace that represents success and refinement. Whether you're driving or relaxing in the rear, every journey feels extraordinary. If you enjoyed this look at the future of luxury SUVs, hit like, subscribe to Axion Auto, and turn on notifications. Tell us in the comments, Would you pick the Maybach GLS 800 over its rivals? Until next time, stay passionate about cars and keep driving forward.